I'm going to distribute these colored A4 sheets. Each one of you take one sheet and you're going to make paper planes out of these sheets.
Like this, like this.
So now that your planes are ready, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3. On the count of 3, you're going to fly your airplanes into the air. Okay. After that, you go and put a mark at the point where your airplane has landed. And you take a measuring tape and you measure the length that your airplane has travelled. 1, 2, and 3.
It's from this line. Round it off. 2.7 meters.
You are going to rework the design. Make one change to the model that you have just made of your paper plane, and we are going to fly it again and analyze why there is a change in the distance travelled by the plane.
Yo, sit down.
7 meters.
What modification have you made in your plane?
So instead of keeping the panels inside, I've flipped them outside and
Okay.
it has made it more directionally accurate.
I've single layered the back part so that it is more lighter and it can fly more quickly with a higher speed and momentum. I've
Okay.
made this for some style.
Okay.
I've made this more pointing so that it can cut the air.
Cut through the air.